Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by positioning the chair so the piston is accessible, set it on its side, or remove the base if needed. Once accessible, release residual pressure by lowering the seat fully and supporting the cylinder. This prevents sudden drops. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection because dust or grease can spray. Now remove the plastic cover or ring at the bottom of the seat with a flat tool. You want clear access to the retaining clip or threaded collar. After that, use your wrench and hex key to hold the shaft steady. Once you've loosened the retaining hardware, unclip the C-ring or unscrew the retaining collar and set those parts aside where you won't lose them. If the piston resists, apply penetrating oil and wait 5 to 10 minutes to let it seep in, then try again. Use steady, even force to pull the piston straight out. Rocking causes damage. If it's stubborn, a short burst of heat to the outer sleeve can expand metal and free the piston. Clean the cavity thoroughly, removing old grease and debris before installing the new unit. Insert the replacement piston by coating seals lightly with grease and sliding it straight into the sleeve to avoid nicking O-rings. Make sure the orientation matches the old one. Once fully seated, reinstall the retaining clip or collar securely. If the clip won't seat, reseat the piston and try again. Reattach the base, set the chair upright, and cycle the adjustment 3 to 5 times to confirm smooth operation and correct height. If you find wobble or slow return, inspect seals and clip position. Reseat or swap seals before reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.